Welcome to the Mitsubishi Electric product video series. In this video, we will be covering the PEA-M HAA Series ducted units. Mitsubishi Electric ducted air conditioning is a flexible system that provides a central air conditioning solution to maintain comfort throughout the whole home or partial home settings. The indoor unit of a ducted system is installed in the ceiling space and utilizes a ducted network to deliver air throughout the different living spaces. This is often combined with a zone control system that allows you to shut off selected sections of the house, or zones, while still conditioning the occupied spaces. Connected to the indoor unit is the Mr. Slim outdoor unit, which contains the compressor, the heart of the system. The outdoor unit can be installed neatly on the side of the house, requiring only a small footprint with its slim design. Ducted air conditioning seamlessly blends into your home interior as a discrete system that helps combat discomfort in your home. Ducted air conditioning is so discrete that the only visible indoor components are the outlet and return air grills, allowing you to display your home interior design without bulky appliances interrupting your decor, while still providing you with climate control at the touch of a button. The PEA-M HAA Series ducted air conditioner is a symphony of design and technology, with just a single chassis size to cover the 4 capacity classes. These capacity classes range from the 10 kW, 12.5, 14 and 16 kW systems. The HAA ducted indoor unit is all about flexibility. Aside from the diverse capacity range, it offers an extended range of fan speed settings with high airflow volumes that can cater to your unique needs. It also has a wide range of choices when it comes to the connected outdoor unit. This includes the choice of a single-phase inverter outdoor units, or the power inverter outdoor units, which come in single or 3-phase options. The indoor unit controls are intuitive, with simple mode selection from cool, dry, fan, and heat modes at the touch of a button. There is also auto mode, which allows you to set a single set point and have the air conditioner switch between cooling and heating modes automatically. Each of the cooling, heating, and auto modes has a set point range that you can customize to suit your preference. For cooling, the set point is 19 to 30 degrees Celsius, for heating 17 to 28 degrees, and auto mode is 19 to 28 degrees Celsius. The HAA also has the option to set a dual set point in auto mode rather than a single set point. This allows you to set different set points for both cooling and heating, with a dead band between the two when the ambient conditions are comfortable. That allows the air conditioner to operate with just the fan to circulate the air, which contributes to energy saving. The HAA has a flexible fan speed setting to include low, mid-1, mid-2, and high fan speed. There is also auto fan speed function that allows the unit to determine which setting is required automatically based on the room temp and set point. In addition to these functions, the HAA unit has a 7-day timer schedule that can be programmed from the controller, allowing you to set start and stop times based on your daily schedule. Now, the operation and comfort generated by an air conditioner are the elements that you can see or feel. But the benefits of this air conditioner extend beyond its operation. The Mitsubishi Electric HAA Series ducted unit boasts a clever 2-piece construction that can be separated to allow for easy transfer and reassembly into a ceiling space. It also comes with 2 rounded return air spigots, which are used to connect a circular, flexible duct the installer connects to the return air grill to create the return air path required for conditioning your home. Now, all ductwork should be sized and installed by a qualified professional, as there are some aspects that can cause an air conditioner not to perform as intended. For example, the air is forced down the duct length by the fan, which has a determined static pressure setting. If the duct is too small or restricted somewhere, the airflow coming out of the grills may not be what is needed to condition the space. A trained professional will be able to determine the correct size and length of the duct and set the static pressure setting accordingly. The HAA indoors have a range of static pressure settings ranging from 50 to 150 pascals, granting greater flexibility to the installation. The clever design of the indoor unit makes it so that it can be installed in between roof trusses, making it a seamless addition to your new home, or as a replacement unit for systems that are reaching the end of life. Accompanying the HAA Series indoor units are the Mr. Slim Series outdoor units. These are available in the PEA-M Inverter Series outdoor units and the PEA-M Power Inverter Series outdoor units. The placement of the outdoor unit needs to be taken into careful consideration, requiring enough ventilation for correct operation and ground space for access to the unit. The Mr. Slim series outdoor units have been designed with a slim depth of just 330mm plus 40mm for the feet brackets across the range. This assists by keeping the unit footprint small for ease of location and placement while still providing the capacity to condition your home. The PEA-M Inverter Series outdoor units have a single fan design for the 10 and 12 kilowatt models and a twin fan construction for the 14 kilowatt system. All models in the inverter series are a single phase outdoor unit. These outdoor units also have a considerable operating range, from -5 to 46 degrees Celsius in cooling mode and -15 to 21 degrees in heating mode for all models. The PEA-M Power Inverter Series has a twin fan chassis for all models. When selecting which outdoor unit to use for your system, speak with an industry professional to ensure the best system is selected for your requirements. The Power Inverter Series is available in both single and three-phase power supply options for all capacity classes, providing additional flexibility when it comes to selecting the most suitable air conditioner for your requirements. It can also help reduce the need for costly upgrades to electrical boards to switch from single to three-phase power. To identify each unit by its model number, you look for the suffix immediately following the capacity numbers in the model name. This will either be a V or a Y. The V designates the unit as a single-phase power supply unit, and the Y designates the unit as a three-phase power supply. When it comes to the guaranteed operating range, the PEA-M power inverter pushes the envelope even further, with an operating range of -5 degrees to a sweltering 52 degrees Celsius in cooling mode, and from a chilly -20 degrees to 21 degrees in heating mode. The Mr. Slim outdoor units utilize R32 refrigerant, which is just 1/3 of the global warming potential of the previous R410A models. R32 refrigerant has a global warming potential of just 675, which makes it more environmentally friendly than its predecessor, while also maintaining a higher efficiency value when used in an air conditioning system. The outdoor unit is also fitted with a DC inverter-driven compressor to increase its efficiency compared to the conventional non-inverter-driven systems, which reduces operating cost. The Mr. Slim outdoor units are also DRED-enabled. This means that you can choose to join a demand response program if offered by your utility provider. DRED stands for Demand Response Enabling Device and provides a function where the energy supply agent can limit the operation of an appliance at times of peak demand or high stress on the energy grid, in order to protect the grid from overloading, which could cause damage or loss of electrical supply. When looking at a new air conditioning system, one of the many details to consider is the efficiency of the unit. As part of the Australian requirements, all air conditioners are required to meet a Minimum Energy Performance Standard, or MEPS for short. This performance standard is governed by the Greenhouse and Energy Minimum Standards, or GEMS, and has been created to allow the government to set a mandatory minimum efficiency requirement for regulated products, as well as increase Australians' awareness of the options to improve energy efficiency and reduce energy consumption. As part of this requirement, all units are tested for specific locations across Australia. These locations are divided into 3 zones. Hot, for the northern parts of Australia or places with high ambient temperatures like Brisbane and Darwin. Average, for the central band across Australia, including locations such as Adelaide, Perth and Sydney. And cold, for the southern regions of Australia or areas with colder than average climates, including Melbourne and Hobart. The efficiency of the unit is tested in both cooling and heating, and is calculated through a set number of test points, designated by the MEPS standard. For cooling, this is represented by a TC-SPF value, which stands for Total Cooling Seasonal Performance Factor. For heating, this is represented by a HSPF value, or Heating Seasonal Performance Factor. Each zone displays a value for both heating and cooling, providing a total of 6 efficiency values for every model. Here we have displayed the PEA-M series inverter units, with a clear distinction between the efficiency values for each zone. The efficiency values for the PEA-M power inverter are not only separated into zones for cooling and heating, but also separated into single and three-phase models, as this does slightly affect some performance values. Utilising the MEPS information, Australians have access to that information, which will allow them to make better choices to improve energy efficiency in their homes and reduce energy consumption. To make a comparison, you simply find the products you are interested in, look at the zone you are located in, and compare the TC-SPF and HSPF values. The higher the value, the more efficient the product. The HAA series indoor units have a variety of control options available for selection when considering what would suit your home. There is the standard MA wall controller, the PEA-M HAA, with built-in 7-day scheduling, the PEA-CT01 MAA touchscreen controller, which is selectable with or without Bluetooth integration, the Mitsubishi Electric Zone Controller, which allows you to condition your whole home or shut off unused rooms at the touch of a button, as well as the optional Mitsubishi Electric Wi-Fi control, which can be used in concert with any of the other controls, and allows you to control your air conditioner from the convenience of your phone. The Mitsubishi Electric Zone Controller allows you to divide your home into zones. Zoning is the ability to turn off a section of your ducted air conditioning system when not in use. The Zone Controller expands the functionality of a ducted air conditioner, delivering conditioned air where you want it in your home or office. With the ability to condition up to 4 or 8 separate zones, why condition unoccupied areas? This can help reduce the total load on the air conditioner and lower its power consumption. The Zone Controller is also compatible with the Mitsubishi Electric Wi-Fi control system, allowing you to control the zone from your controller or from your phone for added convenience. The Mitsubishi Electric optional Wi-Fi interface is available with all current Mitsubishi Electric ducted systems, and allows you to control your air conditioner from your phone, tablet, or online account, provided that you have an active internet connection. The Wi-Fi interface plugs into the CN105 terminal on the indoor control board, or the Zone Controller interface board if connected. One Wi-Fi interface is required per indoor unit. However, multiple Wi-Fi interfaces can be registered and controlled from a single account, allowing you to control all of your air conditioners from one convenient app. The Mitsubishi Electric Wi-Fi app is also compatible with the Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant systems. This allows voice control of your air conditioner through these devices. Key points of the HAA Ducted Series air conditioner. All units come with a 5-year warranty for domestic and commercial installations, flexible selection for indoor temperature settings, dual set point available in auto mode, 2-piece construction and rounded return air spigots to make the installation easier, a wide range of control options including zone control and Wi-Fi options, a selection of outdoor unit options including single and twin fan models as well as single and 3-phase power supply options, and a guaranteed operating range of the inverter outdoor units of -15 to 46 degrees and -20 to 52 degrees for the power inverter outdoor units, as well as Mitsubishi Electric's quality assurance that every single unit is tested before it leaves the factory. That's our commitment to quality.